welcome to FitTuber. When we think of vitamin E, we feel as if it is some normal vitamin just like any other. But vitamin E alone is made up of 8 different fat-soluble compounds. It is because of these powerful compounds, vitamin E is one such antioxidant that directly impacts the cells. Now, before we move on to the best food sources of vitamin E, let us first talk about some amazing benefits of vitamin E. First is skin health. You would have often seen people using vitamin E capsules when making a face pack. This is because vitamin E helps in the production of collagen. Collagen is a protein that not only tightens the skin but also improves its texture. It is true that vitamin E plays a major role in reducing skin wrinkles and fine lines. In fact, even on the old scars like stretch marks or pimple marks, if vitamin E oil is regularly rubbed, then slowly these marks begin to lighten. Clinical studies show that topical application or oral supplementation of vitamin E helps improve even the serious skin conditions like eczema. Next is heart health. Heart attack is a common problem today. But what is the reason behind it? See, when clots begin to form in our blood, meaning when blood begins to accumulate in one area, then the chances of heart attacks increase. And the quality of vitamin E is that it doesn't let clotting happen in blood. If there are already some clots formed in the blood, they are dissolved by taking vitamin E. To put it simply, vitamin E is a natural blood thinner. Not just this, if we take vitamin E in our diet, blood vessels remain soft, cholesterol and triglycerides also remain in control, and blood pressure begins to come in a healthy range. Interestingly, in 2019, there were 18 studies done which proved that people who took vitamin E, their heart health improved. Non-alcoholic fatty liver. There is no doubt that by taking vitamin E, huge improvements are seen in the cases of non-alcoholic fatty liver. The job of liver is to remove the toxins present in our body. But when we regularly eat that outside food, the level of toxins increases a bit too much and the liver is unable to handle it. In this process, fat begins to accumulate on the liver. This weakens the liver, and if not paid attention, it can lead to further scarring of the liver tissue. In some cases, it can even permanently damage the liver. In such a situation, when even without drinking a drop of alcohol, one suffers from fatty liver, vitamin E is no less than a medicine. In 2021, 8 different studies showed that in cases of non-alcoholic fatty liver, whenever vitamin E is supplemented, it definitely helps reduce that accumulated fat on liver. Not only this, even the out-of-range values of SGPT and SGOT begin to get normal. The anti-aging effect. The cells in our body age because of oxidative stress. What happens is that due to oxidation, free radicals begin to form, which then attack the cells and damage them. Vitamin E, because it is an antioxidant, and let me tell you that it is not some normal antioxidant, it is rather considered to be one of the most powerful antioxidants. Attributing to such antioxidizing nature of vitamin E, it slows down the aging process of all the organs of the body, be it your skin, liver, heart, or the kidneys. In fact, in a study in 2018, 54 such patients were identified whose kidneys were damaged due to high blood sugar. When they were constantly given 800 international units of vitamin E for 3 months, then almost every patient's kidney began to recover. Similarly, in 2021, when women who were suffering from endometriosis due to oxidative stress, by taking vitamin E for 2 months, their condition began to reverse. Basically, if you want to slow down the aging process of your body, then vitamin E should be present in an adequate amount in your diet. Muscle pain. Do you often experience muscle pain or cramps in the body? Chances are that you might be deficient in vitamin E. Actually, the deficiency of vitamin E decreases the level of oxygen in the muscle tissue. And in whichever part of the body oxygen reduces, pain is a natural outcome. This is the reason when people who suffer from chest pain or muscle cramps, doctors advise them to take vitamin E. Women who experience painful periods, for them vitamin E is no less than a blessing. In 2018, a study was done on 100 women which showed that by taking 2000 international units of vitamin E, period pain was significantly reduced. Today, science has no doubt that vitamin E is very helpful for your muscles. In conditions like cramping, pain, or varicose veins, it has notable results. Due to the deficiency of vitamin E, not just skin, heart, liver, and muscles are affected, but even your lungs and brain are negatively impacted. So what is the reason of vitamin E deficiency? The number one cause of vitamin E deficiency is when we eat fiberless food. All food items that are made of maida like noodles, pasta, samosa, kachori, bhature, cakes, biscuits and bread lead to a deficiency of vitamin E in the body. And it is only then that these problems begin to bother us. So this is clear that there are amazing benefits of vitamin E, but how to take it? Are these green colored capsules that are so easily available at any chemist shop the only option? Actually, these vitamin E capsules should not be taken orally without doctor's prescription. We must understand that body's daily vitamin E requirement is merely 15 milligrams, whereas Evion's 400's one capsule has 400 milligrams of vitamin E, which is quite high. So taking it daily for long period can be rather harmful. You might be taken aback, but there have been cases where due to an overdose of vitamin E, it has led to the death of people. So as I said, get it prescribed from your doctor if you want to take it orally. But when it comes to adding it to face pack or other topical uses, there is